Why did YouTube remove your channel from the YouTube Partner Program for duplicate or reused content? When can you reuse someone else's content? What can you do if your channel was removed for duplication? Stay tuned to the end of the video to get answers to these questions. Hello, my name is Herman Drost. If you want to grow your audience on YouTube and generate traffic, leads, and sales on autopilot, hit the subscribe button and click the bell notification icon so you'll be notified whenever I upload new videos. YouTube has been removing channels for duplicate or reused content. When you lose access to the YouTube Partner Program, you no longer can monetize your channel, go live, or associate a website with a YouTube channel. Let me know in the comments below if you've ever had a video removed for duplication or reused content from the YouTube Partner Program. So what is reused content? It means that you've uploaded content from multiple sources. It also means that you've uploaded or repurposed someone else's content. Some examples may include stitching clips of your favorite shows together, bundling short videos together from other people's websites, collections of songs from different artists, third-party videos stitched together with no minimal changes, third-party content compiled together without adding your own narrative, content uploaded many times by multiple users. I'll place a link to these content policies in the description below this video. Another thing you can't do is have repetitious or auto-generated content. This is content that is mass-produced to increase views without adding significant educational content. Some examples include adding content to a channel with minimal changes from video to video, adding repetitive content that has no educational value, narrative, or commentary, content that has been mass-produced or generated programmatically, image slideshows or scrolling text that has no additional narrative, commentary, or educational value. I'll place a link to this resource in the description below this video. So how can you prevent your channel from being removed from the YouTube Partner Program for duplicate or reused content? You can remove or update the content to comply with YouTube's policies, then reapply for the YouTube Partner Program within 30 days. Also, you can follow these practices. Add commentary or include yourself in your videos. Link back to your YouTube channel from your official website. Provide more context about your work in your video and in your channel descriptions. Create a featured video where you talk more about your channel and how you work. Make sure the content on your channel aligns with YouTube's content policies. I'll place a link to the policies in the description below this video. Another point is that if you have commercial rights to that content and are contributing value to that content. If you want to learn more about duplicate or reused content, watch my next video. I include actual clips from Google employees discussing the subject. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.